What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. That's right, a light version of the Galaxy S10. It's a brand new phone. Runs Android 10, One UI 2.0. The screen is 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Resolution is 2400 by 1080, so it is a 1080p plus display with an aspect ratio of 20.9, and Snapdragon 855 inside, so it matches the same processor that you find in the other Galaxy S10 phones. You can do either 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM with up to 128 gigabytes of storage. Also, it does support micro SD up to 1 terabyte. Camera side, on the back, you're going to find a 48 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, as well as a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 5 megapixel macro camera. On the front, it's a 32 megapixel camera, HDR compatible. USB-C at the bottom, as well as a single speaker. The battery is very big with 4500 milliamp battery on there. Awesome to see. Also, the charging is fast charging as well. It does support in-display fingerprint sensor and comes in the colors of Prism Black, Prism White, and Prism Blue. Overall, it does have a plastic design on here, but it still felt pretty premium in my hands. The display is very vibrant, and just jumping around on the phone, it was pretty snappy as well. I didn't see it slowing down really at all. In the limited time I spent with the phone, though, it didn't really seem like it's a bad device in the grand scheme of things. Now, the Galaxy S10 devices do have a headphone jack. This S10 Lite does not. Also, this does have a plastic design, but like I said, it probably will hold up better in terms of scratches on the back, and also, it doesn't bother me. So, I mean, if you're not into plastic phones, it might bother you, but otherwise, it's not a big deal to me. So once this phone is released, you're looking at a phone that's probably gonna cost around $750, and it has the latest processor that's currently out at the time of making this video. So why not? You know, it seems like a really good device. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a Galaxy device with a huge display. I mean, you're not gonna get the 2K display that you get on the Galaxy S10 Plus, but it's still a really beautiful, vibrant display at that, with a bigger battery than the other Galaxy S10 phones. So there you guys go. That is my first impressions of the Galaxy S10 Lite. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys down the road. Peace.